Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the exact Google account linked to the missing device. This is the key that ties everything together. Once signed in, make sure the device has power and internet access, and that location services are active so Google can report coordinates. If you're using Gmail, open the account menu and switch to the account that owns the device. This initial step establishes identity and permissions so you can securely proceed to the location tools that follow. Next, navigate to find My Device from your Google account or search directly. You'll see a device list tied to that account. You should select the missing device so the service requests its last known position. This is how you get a map pinpoint. Once the map loads, choose Actions. Play sound to locate nearby, secure device to lock it and show a recovery message, or erase if you must protect data. Make sure to weigh Remote Erase, since it removes locating capability. Finally, use the map directions and play sound to physically recover the device when it's nearby. Approach cautiously and confirm the device visually. If the device is offline, look at the last seen timestamp and retry periodically because it will report when it reconnects. Meanwhile, enable notifications for location updates. If locating repeatedly fails or you suspect theft, change your Google password, revoke device access, and report to authorities. That protects your account and data while you pursue recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.